Changing your password on Pandora is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Pandora website or open the app and log in using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Change Password. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Password or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. By following these steps, you can easily update your Pandora password and enhance your account security.